Welcome to the graphic design program at Niagara College. My name is Jessie Damone and I'm the program coordinator and professor in the program here. Right now we are in the Marilyn Walker Center for Excellence press room. We have all sorts of wonderful equipment in these newsmaker spaces that can help you to create anything really that you can come up with. From printers that are printing on vinyl, digital die cutters, laser die cutters, 3D printers, silkscreen printing, everything under the sun. So we're really excited to kind of see all of the exciting things and creative things that you bring to life here. So with things like our presses and the 3D printers, we're really bridging old and new technology. So students are taking the 3D printers, creating their own type, creating these incredible things, and then bringing them to these older, analog technologies and printing stuff there. With equipment like the presses and the 3D printers, we have the opportunity to really bridge old and new technologies, and the things that students are doing is absolutely incredible. For example, we have students creating their own type, printing them on the 3D printer, bringing them over to a press, and creating the most amazing works of art. We also have our HP large format plotter. We can print on interior or exterior vinyl to wrap everything from cars and walls. We can print stickers, we can print any sort of decals that you can think of. We can print on canvas and all sorts of things like that. So again, whatever you can create, we're able to produce here. So that's pretty exciting. After printing your work at the large plotter, we then bring it over to one of our digital die cutters and let it do its magic. So here in the Marilyn Walker Center of Excellence in Visual Arts and Technology, we have a fantastic lounge foyer space for students to work together, to kind of congregate and share ideas, get work done, and also see the work that all students in media are doing on the display screens, which are typically on, featuring students' work. Here we are in one of our 3 open access Mac labs, and there are 25 Mac computers in each lab. This is really important to us because that means that we have a maximum of 25 students per class. And that keeps our class sizes smaller, which is really important to us as faculty to be able to spend time with each of our students and really get to know you and to kind of work with you to achieve your goals within the program. In your first year, you will be introduced to the Adobe Creative Suite, and you'll have a course that will introduce you to Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign, and will walk you through all the software. Everyone that's coming from out of high school or from various different backgrounds has different experience and levels of comfort with the software. So we like to really make sure that everybody has these strengths right from the get-go so that you can create whatever it is you want to create. There's nothing more frustrating than wanting to be able to do something but not having that technical know-how to make that happen. Our labs are also multi-purpose, so in addition to the computers, we also have some collaborative workspaces where students will do things like book design, binding their books, actually putting together their branding packages, building packages, and so forth. Thank you so much for taking this tour. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you, and I look forward to seeing you this fall.